Hi everyone, it's Michelle Litwiller here with Owl Star Stampers, and I'm super excited because today in this video I have 13 Christmas card ideas to share with you. So one of the things that my team that we like to do is we do card swaps. And so we just recently did one, well it was back in November, a Christmas card swap, and so I wanted to share with you those cards that were in the swap, and maybe you will get some ideas or card layout ideas from the swap. And if I know who made the card, I will share their name with you. So we'll start off with this one right here. Now this was my card that I made for the swap, and it is kind of a little bit of a fun fold. I love this card fold, and it opens like that, and this used that holly paper. And some of these items might be sold out now, but a lot of you probably have the products, and some of these items are on sale. Like I know this ribbon is very inexpensive right now, like maybe $3 for this gold ribbon. So check out our online sale too, the last chance list that is. So this was card number one, and then our next card, I'll put them right here, is this one, this cute little gnome. I'll try to take it out. This one doesn't say, but do you see this embossing folder? This is the whimsical woodland embossing folder in the background. That's on clearance, and it is paper, and the circle and vellum is embossed in that. And then this is heat embossed, and then the cute little gnome dies. Now the gnome dies are carrying over, and then that Santa paper, I believe, is on sale too. And then look at the inside. It says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I believe Patches made this card. Okay, and here is another card. I love this little snowman set. It's so cute. And this is heat embossed on vellum. Again, this bundle is retiring. And then when you open it up, it is decorated on the inside with just a strip of designer paper. And there's that. Really pretty, cute card. Okay, this next card used the sweetest candy cane. And I love the non-traditional colors here. And I loved how only part of the candy cane is stamped. And then she used some opal rounds. And look at the inside. There's the inside too. So I believe this was made by Bree. Our next one is this cute little penguin made by Kathy. And I have to pull this out because once you open it, look at the penguin going down the hill. So cute. And this, yeah, I said Kathy. The penguin though is retiring, and the punch is only like $9.60. And she also used, I don't know if it'll show up on camera, some Winka Stella on that cute little penguin. So there's that. This next one was made by Robin, and here is her card. Again, she also used the holly paper, and look, it is like it will hold a gift card there. So that is really pretty. So she just scored that and folded it to make a little pocket. And then this side, she added the designer paper, so it looks like it's the full front of the card, but it's not. A little fake out there. And look at one of the little gem there, rhinestone. Okay, this one was made by Karen. I love this paper. We used it for Card Club last month. We might have used it last year too because it did carry over, and then that is the inside. I love that a lot of the ladies put a little strip on the inside. That just makes it a little extra special. And this is heat embossed. I think it has clear powder over top. Do you see how shiny they are? Those holly leaves and berries. Okay, this next card was made by Annie, and it is non-traditional colors, and I think they are so pretty. And she splattered a little bit of Winka Stella in the background, and it is just a really pretty card. Love the ribbon and the rhinestone she used there. So there is Annie's card. And she also used that same whimsical, what is it called? Whimsical Woodland embossing folder there. This is one of my favorites. I'm very sad it's being retired. All right, this was made by another Karen on my team. We have a lot of Karens. This one lives in Florida though. And she used the candy canes, but also the split texture die. I know that this one has been in and out of stock. It's really popular. And I just love the traditional Christmas, and she used the red rhinestones. And then the inside there and another candy cane. So these candy canes were stamped, and this is from the Designer Series paper. All right, this one was made by Lori from Florida as well. And she also used this embossing folder. This is a hit, you guys. If you don't have it, get it before it's gone. And it's again, several people have used this. I love the little sparkle here. And this is from those holly dies. So really beautiful card. She also used the red rhinestones, and she stamped the inside as well. And then we have this beautiful card, non-traditional colors, but I love it. I love the heat embossing. This cottage gingham paper is called Gingham Cottage. This was $30. It's only $18 now, depending on when you see this video. If you're watching it like years from now, sorry. It is Monday, December 5th, 2022, and it's currently on our last chance list. And then these are the wreath builder, those wreath dies. So really pretty Christmas card there. Next up, we have this card made by Andrea, and it also used the holly paper and the frame, these new frame dies that will be out in our next catalog, but you can order them now. They're online. And she heat embossed on vellum. So really, really pretty, and a little bit of sparkle. And the inside is also decorated. I love this stamp set, the Framed in Festive, and it's kind of only until through December, or if it sells out, it's a special stamp set. And I featured it last month in my card club because I loved it so much. Okay, and the last card number 13, was also made by Lori. Lori from, I believe she lives in Indiana though. And so this card used the candy cane in a more like, what's the word, rustic like kind of looking, and it's beautiful. She used little jingle bells. She stamped some of these panels, and then this little tag up here, and she used some of the like linen thread or the little twine anyway. And that was made by Lori. So I hope you enjoy all of these different Christmas card ideas, and maybe you saw a layout or you have a stamp set and it'll inspire you to grab that stamp set and create with it. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite that you saw out of all of these cards below. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. See you next time. Bye.